I came in and he got me fixed up and ready to go, and antibiotics, and off we went. My name is Melanie, and I came in need of a root canal before I went on vacation, and Doc helped me out and made sure that I was comfortable and I was able to enjoy the vacation. The treatment was about 2 hours. They had to do a root canal. I left feeling fine. I was numb. I'm able to enjoy life without having any pain and just being able to go on with life. If you need a root canal, you should come to Peak Dental Health, because Doc and his staff will take amazing care of you, make sure that you're comfortable from beginning to end.